YouTube Shorts, they are now considered as the most important element for the small creator to succeed on YouTube with no previous experience. And it's true, they are quite effective, but what if you don't know how to record a video and you don't want to show your face? Well, today I will show you exactly how you can do that and make passive income every single day just by copying and pasting shorts on YouTube. And I will also share with you a simple hack to maximize your revenue using this. However, it is only for those who are ready to follow this tutorial step by step. So be sure to stick with me till the end of this video. Anyways, let me show you an example and prove that this actually works. As you can see, by using this strategy, these guys are making over $100,000 every single month just from the ad revenue alone. That's over $1 million every single year. So this has a massive potential. That's like a couple of $1,000s every single day. Now to begin with step number 1, you will need to go over to the YouTube in order to start searching for those shorts. Now you can focus on any niche you prefer, but I highly recommend you find videos that have a huge potential to go viral. And those videos are mostly in the entertainment niche or maybe in the motivational niche. Even the weight loss and fitness niche is super big, and those videos can go exceptionally well. So you can search for example funny pets, funny animals, funny cats and so on, but for the sake of this video, we will be searching for the funny dogs videos. So I will just type it into the search bar for funny dogs. That are going to give me lot of these different videos. As you can see, these are getting millions of views. People love this type of videos. As you can see, 6.8 million views, 6.3 million views, 27 million views, so on and so forth. These videos can easily go viral. Now what you will need to do is, you will need to filter your search. Once you search for your keyword, just filter your search by Creative Commons. Creative Commons gives you a full license to re-upload all of these different videos on your YouTube channel without getting any copyright issues. So just find some Creative Commons video that you think has the potential to go super viral. Open it up. For example, I'm going to just use the first one. Once you open up the video, just click the share button right here and grab its URL. So that's going to be step number 2. Find the video that you think has the potential to go super viral. And it should be under Creative Commons license. Open it up and copy its URL. Now the reason I am using this niche as an example is that there is a lot of this type of channels that are performing really well in the short space. As you can see, this channel started pretty recently, and according to the Social Blade, they are making over $100,000 every single month just from the ad revenue alone. As you can see, they start pretty recently and they just blew up to thousands and thousands of subscribers and millions of views and even millions of dollars in revenue every single year just from the AdSense alone. So this works really well. Anyways, for the next step, you will need to go over to the Google and search for the YouTube to MP3 downloader. So you can download the YouTube videos which you found under the Creative Commons license. So once you search for the YouTube to MP3 downloader, that's going to show you all of these different absolutely free online software which will help you download these YouTube videos in a matter of seconds, and it's all absolutely for free. So once again, copy the URL, go on to the Google and type in YouTube to MP3 downloader and look for a site like this which help you download the video to your computer. So for example, I'm using this website. You are going to see something like this come up, and simply paste that URL in here, and you need to make sure that you click onto MP4 over here. Once you click onto MP4, just click on it to convert. Once it finishes checking that video, you want to click on to download. Now you will need to turn that video into actual shorts, and the easiest and absolutely free way to do so with no previous experience, with no editing skills or whatever, is to simply go over to the Canva. Just go over to the canva.com, sign up for absolutely free, and they will provide you with lots of different templates which you can easily use. So just go over to the search bar and search for mobile videos. Type in that keyword that says mobile videos. That's going to give you a lot of different templates from which you can choose, but I will just start with a blank mobile video template and you will see exactly why. So that's going to open up this online video editor, which means you will not have to download anything to your computer. Just go over to the upload section right here. On the left hand side, click on upload media and just upload the video which you previously downloaded from YouTube under Creative Commons license. Then open it up. It's going to show on the screen right here. Now just adjust the size so it fits the scene. So maybe something like this. Let me just do this real quick. Now this looks perfect. So now we have the shorts in here. Now you just need to make it shorter. So you need to cut this So click on this icon right here to cut the video and just select 20 to 60 seconds of this video. So maybe I will cut it and I will make it approximately 20 seconds long, all the way from the first minute. So my short video is going to be at 20 seconds long. This is how long my short video is going to be, and remember that the short needs to be up to 60 seconds long. So it can't be more than 60 seconds long, otherwise it's just going to be a regular YouTube video. So if you want it to be a shorts, then it need to be a less than 60 seconds long. My video is 20 seconds long. I will click done and you will be able to see that we have only 20 seconds of video running in the short format. Now I can download this to my computer by clicking on the download button right here, and that way in less than 2 minutes you will have exactly the same type of video that these guys are posting on their channel in order to make hundreds of thousands of dollars every single month. And if you take a look at their upload pace, you can see that they are posting 1 or 2 videos a day, and it's super easy to do so. I mean 2 videos a day, that's going to take you like 10 minutes of copy pasting. It's really simple, and you can pump out as many videos as you possibly can, because the more of them you publish, the higher chances of making more money you will have. And also, when uploading that video to the channel, remember to use hashtag shorts in order to make this work. So just give it a nice title. Once you upload it here, you can just click on the upload button, upload that video to your YouTube channel. You don't have to create a thumbnail, because for shorts it works a lot better when you don't have the thumbnail created, so people can easily see that it's a short and not an actual video. So don't create a thumbnail, just leave it like that. Publish the video with the hashtag shorts and just repeat the process again and again and again. We will literally have the same video created. It's the same video. This one is 20 seconds long, compilation of different funny dogs which I downloaded, and now I can re-upload to the YouTube channel. But you just need to understand that in order to make money from ad revenue, your channel needs to meet the monetization requirement on YouTube. So you need to be accepted into a YouTube partner program, and the requirements are 4,000 hours of watch time and 1,000 subscribers in the last 12 months. Okay, so now that you know the monetization requirements, so that you can just test out with different niches, maybe create different channels, one in the funny dog space, one in the funny cats, maybe some other niches. Just play around with the different niches. It's really simple, and it's absolutely free to create these short videos using Canva, because once this video go live, you can see how many views this person is getting. We are talking about 300,000, 200,000, 100,000 views every single day. So there is a lot of eyeballs on these channels. Now if you think that today's video is too difficult, and if you want much easier and simpler method to make money, and if you want a quicker result, or if you want a done for you solution that will do all the hard work for you and that will help you to promote any offer that you want and earning autopilot commissions, you can check out the link in the video description below. Now when you click on the link below, you will be able to find different case studies and different proof videos that shows you how they are earning daily commissions online. And while watching that video, you guys will realize that you don't have to put in lot of efforts by yourself. You just have to copy and paste to promote your link and just follow the training, and you can start earning commissions every single day. Once again, click on the link down below and start earning $500 in commission every single day. And I do hope that you did get some value out of this video, and if you think you like my content, please make sure go ahead and smash that like button right now, and be sure to subscribe to the channel and hit the notification bell. And if you want my #1 recommendation and the most easiest way to make money online, make sure you click on the first link down below in the video description. And that's bring me to the end of this video. I will see you inside the next video.